Right, this looks like a tricky indices question. So first of all, it's sectioned off the numbers quite nicely, right? And we're going to be doing some subtracting. But the first thing I'm looking at is the order of operations, right? We've got bid mass, brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Or you might have ped mass. Different acronyms. This is maybe parentheses, exponents, right? So depends on what your acronym is, but I'm definitely going to start with the exponents, right? Because it just makes sense, because there's nothing we can do with inside the parentheses. Those are just single numbers, so there's nothing to calculate within the parentheses. The next thing to do is to sort out the exponents, right? Now you can see that the exponent comes in two pieces. There's a negative and then there's an integer. So remember what the negative part of the exponent does. So this negative part grabs these two pieces of the number inside the bracket and it flips them. So I'm going to write that with the flips. That's negative 1/3 is in the brackets. But if I flip them, then that becomes 3/1, and I've accounted there for the negative part of the exponent, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that for each of the others. It's going to be negative in here, and subtract this, just copy paste down. There's a negative, and we're going to flip this number, and there's a negative here, and we are going to flip that number. Okay, now the 3 is here and the 4 is here. So we've got rid of the negative exponents. All right, now let's have a little look at the next piece. Also, for the next piece, I'm going to grab this negative, and I get that the whole number is negative, but I'm going to assign the negative to the 3 on the top, right? And I'm going to assign this negative to the 3 at the top, and I'm going to assign this negative to the number 3 at the top there. Okay, now I'm going to distribute the power of 2 to the numerator and the denominator. Oh, in fact, does it even matter? Because I think you can see an easy way, because if we look at this number now, isn't negative 3 divided by 1 just negative 3? So that might make things simpler. So this is negative 3 squared, subtract negative 3 cubed, subtract negative 3 to the 4. That definitely makes sense. And now finally, so negative 3 to the power of 2, well, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, and then subtract the answer to negative 3 cubed. I think you'll find that's negative 27, right? 3, negative, 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 and then subtract, right, negative 3 to the 4 is actually positive 81. So it's important that you have the subtractions clearly written, right? So you just put the subtractions in the right place here. I kept the bracket for the answer to each of these exponents, and now I can finish this one off in a nice structured way. This is 9, and now I've got subtract, which is plus 27, and then I've got subtract 81. So just from left to right, you'll get your final answer. That will be 36 subtract 81, and that will be negative 45. Is that right? 47 to 81. Yeah, negative 45, the final answer.